everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the sailor crab easily. The sailor crab sometimes appears as a daily quest in the pirates event, and this is what it looks like. Like this. Like this. It looks like this. And then next you can find the sailor crab in the pirates cove. Like this. This one. You can also find it on the pirate treasure room. This one. Just fishing around this two area and just be patient. And since the sailor crab is a legendary fish, just always use your best rod and best bait. Like for example, you can use a hazmat or a coast fin if you have. And then for the bait, you can use a carp bait or a singularity bait, because using hike-like gear will really increase your chance of getting it faster. And okay, that's it. Just good luck, and if this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.